Зараза такой! Ты куда лезешь, а?
Chris, you are late. Come on, they are waiting.
And old tradition.
On the train, people start to talk about life story.
Then finally, I went on stage, and the next day I go to jail.
In my village, you have two choices. You can have a normal life, very natural, and the second, it's almost sure you become crazy.
Do you know what you're looking for? Do you think this place is on a map?
I'm just a poor, wayfaring stranger, traveling through...
Got some buddies of mine, kind of wanting to ride around the South a little bit.
Everybody we knew had a finger missing or one eye put out from a staple glancing off a post.
There's been a murder here today.
He took that butcher knife and just punched it up in his stomach.
They called it the Anthology of American Folk Music.
Hearing them trees, that wind blowing, her being quiet. And I said, what is Nanny? She said, them birds.
She must be born again when Jesus comes.
Beyond your mind, there's some immensity.
The question that they used to ask, if I live in trees, where did I learn English? How did I get in the RAF? Presently, I decided to re-educate them as much as I could.
Bullet does not differentiate between black and white, so don't be stupid.
But the government, they never tell us anything about it. Now our government, folks back home said their folks didn't come back.
In 1954, about 10,000 West Indians came to Britain. In 1955, it is believed another 15,000 will make the long journey. Already their coming has caused a national controversy.
First and foremost, of course, is the long-term policy that ultimately will have to be adopted.
Well, let's see, we just had a small fire in the cigarette ashtray there. All Gert's possessions have been stolen from his apartment, and I'm dealing with some issues too. That's life behind the scenes. Andrew, come on over and show, Andrew. Andrew did that to his hand the day before he left. That was French fry grease, which exploded all over him.
Wasn't even my fault.
Wasn't even your fault. But I'm sure you deserved it for some reason. Alright, well, we should get rolling because the loading time is such that we need to get on the road.
It's not my son,
but our innocence and dreams go by. The smiles we wear upon our face go by. Oh, sweet wine of you, it goes sour.